What? Come over here. Oh. You know what? Turn that light on, would you please? No, you have to turn it on the thing. Twice. No, wrong way. There. You can see you now. What are you doing? What are you doing? Are you flexing? What would you think if... Oh, no, I'm not going to say that. What are you eating? Ow! Fucker. Got it all in my hair. It's splattered. Dick.
Seriously, who throws them?
With my left hand.
Seriously.
Come here. Let me stick my fingers in your mouth.
That's disgusting.
What?
You're sticking your fingers in my mouth.
Well, you did it to me. There's no telling where your freaking fingers have been. What? Stop! I can't see beyond the camera.
Come on, this left-hander.
Oh! Oh, you... Come here.